is 2, 5, 8, 11, and so on forms an AP arithmetic progression or not. So to check whether a given progression is an arithmetic progression or not, we need to check the differences. First number is called as first term, represented with A or else A1. Second term A2. Third term A3. Fourth term A4. Fifth term A5. Like that. Now we need to find out the difference of the two successive terms. A2 minus A1. Here A2 second term is 5 minus A1 first term is 2. 5 minus 2, 3. Next, A3 minus A2. A3 third term is 8 minus A2 second term is 5. 8 minus 5, 3. Here in both the cases the difference is the same. So D value is the same. Then the given progression is an AP. Next is 7, 4, 1, and so on forms an AP. So first 7 is A1 first term, 4 is second term A2, 1 is third term A3. So let us find out the difference. A2 minus A1. A2 is 4 minus A1 is 7. 4 minus 7 minus 3. Next A3 minus A2. A3 is 1 minus A2 is 4. 1 minus 4 minus 3. So in these two cases also the common difference is the same. So then we can say that it is AP. Next, write the first term and common difference of the APs. So here first term is nothing but first number. So this is the first term. So first term will be represented with A or else A1. A1 or A equals to 2. Then he is asking to find out the common difference also. So difference is equals to second term minus first term. A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, 4 minus 2. That is nothing but 2. So A value, that is first term, is 2 and common difference is also 2 only. Here to find out the common difference, always no need to take only A2 minus A1 only. You can take A3 minus A2 also, A4 minus A3 also, A100 minus A99 and also. You can take always the same difference only you will get, because in the question itself it is clearly mentioned that it is AP. So difference will be same. Next, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 9. So first number is minus 3, that is A equals to A1, which is equals to minus 3. That is first term. Then we need to find out the common difference. So D equals to A2 minus A1. Here second term is minus 5 minus first term is minus 3. So of minus 3. So minus 5 minus into minus plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. First term is minus 3 and the common difference is minus 2. Next, 22, 17, 12, 7 and so on. Here first term is 22. So A equals to A1 equals to 22. Then common difference D equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 17 minus A1 is 22. 17 minus 22, it is minus 5. So the first term is 22 and the common difference is minus 5. Next, write the first 4 terms of the AP if A equals to 5 and D equals to minus 3. So first term as well as the common difference is given. First term A1 is also represented with A, that is given as 5. Then we need to find out the second term, that is A2. So second term is nothing but first term plus common difference. So what is the first term is given? 5 plus common difference is minus 3. So which is equals to 5 plus into minus minus 3. 5 minus 3, it is 2. So this is the second term. Next, finding the third term. How we will find out this third term? For the second term, we need to add the common difference. What is the second term? 2 plus what is the common difference? Minus 3. that will be 2 plus into minus minus 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1. So he's asking us to write the first 4 terms. First, second, third completed. Next, fourth term. One more term we need to write. So A4 is equals to third term plus common difference. Third term we got as minus 1 plus common difference is given as minus 3. Minus 1 plus into minus minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. So the first 4 terms are 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4. Next, find the 30th term of the AP 7, 10, 13, 16 and so on. In the previous questions, we did finding first term or else common difference, or else when first term and common difference are given, writing the numbers in the progression. Now in this case, we will be having a progression. Somewhere in the middle, they will ask us to find out that number. For example, if this is 7, 10, 13, 16 and continue, if we do like that, some number will be there in the 30th position. That number we need to find out. So find the 30th term of the given progression. So to find out some middle number like this, we will be having a formula, that is nth term formula or general term formula, that is an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So while solving, you will get to know what is all these alphabets. A is nothing but first term, how we are doing in the previous questions as usual. First term is 7, so in the place of a, substitute 7 plus n is nothing but which term they are asking to find out, that is 30th term, so 30 minus 1 into d is common difference. Second term minus first term. Here second term is 10, first term is second term is 10 and first term is 7. So 10 minus 7. The difference will be 10 minus 7, which is equals to 7 plus 30 minus 1, 29 into 10 minus 7, it is 3. So 7 plus 29 3s are 3 9 is 27, 7 2 carry 87. 87 plus 7, it is 94. So if we extend this progression like that only, then the 30th number will be 94. Next, find the fifth term of the progression. So the formula for finding this is an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A first term minus 11 plus n, he is asking to find the fifth term 5 minus 1 into d, common difference. So for finding the common difference, second term minus first term. Here second term is minus 8 minus first term is minus 11. Let us simplify this further now. Minus 11 plus 5 minus 1, 4 into minus 8 minus into minus plus 11. That is equals to minus 11 plus 4 into minus 8 plus 11. It is 3. Minus 11 plus 4 3s are 12. Minus 11 plus 12, it is 1. So in the given progression, the fifth term will be equals to 1. Sorry. Next, if A1 equals to 2, A3 equals to 26, A2 equals to, we need to find out. So before going to this one, let us write a small trick how to write the terms. For example, fifth term, if we need to write, the formula we will be having is an equals to a plus n minus 1d, right? So I need to find out the fifth term, for example. Okay, so a will be writing, n is nothing but which term we are finding, that is fifth term. So 5 minus 1 into d. So a plus 5 minus 1, 4d. Now observe this small logic here. Fifth term is a plus 4d. Just this one you keep it in mind. Fifth term a plus 4d. The same way 10th term a plus 9d. 22nd term a plus 21d. 100th term a plus 99d. So simple, just one we will decrease. Okay, that small logic only we will going to use here. A1 a plus 0d, which is equals to 2. Of course 0d if you write also, if you didn't write also, nothing will happen. Next, a3 equals to 26. a3 a plus 2d, that is equals to 26. Now these two equations I am going to solve by the elimination method. Here a is positive symbol, here a is positive symbol, both are positive symbols, so we need to do subtraction. Then plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Plus a cancel. 0 minus 2d minus 2d equals to 2 minus 26 minus 24. Both the sides negative symbols will get cancelled. Then we remains with 2d equals to 24. We need to find out the d value, so take 2 to the right side. D equals to 24 divided by 2, then d value is 12. Now d value is 12. A1 is nothing but a only, so a value, d value both we got. Then whatever the term they are asking, we can able to find. They are asking a2 value. So second term they are asking. A2 formula will become then a plus 1d. So what is the a value? It is given in the question itself as 2 plus 1 into d, common difference 12. So that will be 2 plus 1, 12 are 12. 2 plus 12, 14. So second term will be 14. Next, if a2 equals to 38, a6 equals to minus 22, then find a1 as well as a3. So here a2 is given as 38. What will be the formula for a2? A plus 1d, that is given as 38. Next, a6 is given as minus 22. So a6 formula will be a plus 5d, that is equals to minus 22. Let us solve these two equations by elimination method. Here before a nothing is there means plus, here before a nothing is there means plus. Both the same symbol, so we will do subtraction. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Plus a cancel. 1d plus 5, sorry, 1d minus 5d minus 4d equals to 38 plus 22, 60. Then we need to find out d value. So d equals to 60 divided by minus 4. 4 ones are 4 15s are. So d equals to minus 15. Now this d value we can substitute either in this first equation or else in the second equation. I am going to substitute in the first equation, that is a plus 1d equals to 38. A plus 1d equals to 38. A plus 1 into d value we got as minus 15. So substitute that d value here, minus 15, then equals to 38. A plus into minus, minus 1 into 15, 15, that is equals to 38. Take minus 15 another side, so a equals to 38. Minus 15 will become plus 15, then that is equals to 53. A or A1 is 53. So A value is 53. First term we got it as 53 and the difference we got as minus 15. Then whatever the term they are asking, we can able to find out. First term they are asking definitely we got already. Then third term they are asking A3. So what is the formula for A3? A3 equals to A plus 2D. A value we got as 53 plus 2 into D value minus 15. So d value is minus 15. 53 plus into minus minus 2 into 15, 30. 53 minus 30, it is 23. Next, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Which term? Maybe 20th term, 30th term, 15th term, 100th term, 77th term, like that. If we continue the progression, which term will be 78? So for this kind of questions, the formula is same again, nth term, that is an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here, which term is asking? This 78, right? So this 78 we need to replace in the place of an, that is equals to a value first 3 plus n value we don't know, that only we need to find out actually. So n value as it is minus 1 into d, common difference, already from the beginning onwards we are doing that only same. Second term minus first term, 8 minus 3, it is 5. So let us simplify this further now. 3 I am taking to the left side. So 78 minus 3 equals to n minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3, 75 equals to n minus 1 into 5. Taking 5 also to the left side, 75 divided by 5 equals to n minus 1. So 5 ones are 5, 15s are n minus 1 equals to 15. We need to find out the n value, so take minus 1 to the right side. Then n equals to 15 plus 1, n equals to 16. It means if the progression, if we extend like that only, 16th term will be 78. Next, check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. So this given progression 11, 8, 5, 2, if we extend like that only, is there any chance that we will get this number minus 150 or not? So for this kind of question also same formula, nth term an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Which number they are asking, that we need to replace with an. So minus 150 equals to a value first term 11 plus n value we need to find out, n minus 1 into d, common difference, second term minus first term, 8 minus 11, smaller number minus bigger number, so 8 minus 11 minus 3. Let us simplify this further now. Taking 11 to the left side, minus 150 minus 11 equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 150 minus 11 minus 161, which is equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. Now taking minus 3 to this side, if it will become division, minus 161 divided by minus 3 equals to n minus 1. Here minus will get cancelled, but surprisingly 161 won't come in 3 table. Okay, so if 161 won't come in 3 table, then definitely we will get this answer as some decimal point. After that, minus 1, if we take this side, it will become plus 1. Again, that adding also, we will get a final answer in the decimal points only. So n value will be decimal, as n is a decimal. So minus 150 is not a term. Why it is not a term means, we are speaking like first term, second term, third term, fourth term, 10th term, 1000th term, 77th term, 23rd, like this only. All natural numbers only we are speaking, but we are not speaking like 1.3rd term, 1.5th term, 1.2th term, 1.7th term, 5.3rd term, like that we are not speaking. So always the number of terms will be in terms of natural numbers only. So in this case we got n value as the decimal, right? A decimal is not at all a natural number. So that's the reason minus 150 won't be there in that progression. Next, how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So first what we need to do is writing the numbers from 10 to 250. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and so on. 247, 248, 249, 250. Now these are all the numbers starting from 10 to 250. But in the question particularly he is asking only about the multiples of 4. So let us check. 10 will come in 4 table? No. So this is waste. Next, 11 will come in 4 table? No. That also we can remove it easily. Next, 12 will come in 4? Yes. So starting from 12 onwards, 12. Then what will be the next number then? 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. And so on. Then 250 onwards. I mean from last also we need to check again. 250 will come in 4 table? Obviously no. 249 will come in 4 table? Definitely no. Then what about 248? Yes, it will come in 4 table. So last number will be 248. Now he is asking how many numbers are there like this. 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. If you continue to write like that till 248, how many will be there? Same formula, nth term. an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the last number is 248, right? The 248 we need to replace with an. 248 equals to a value, first number 12, plus n value we need to find out, into d, common difference. Second number minus first number, 16 minus 12, 4. Let us simplify this further now. Here taking 12 to the left side. So it becomes minus 248 minus 12 equals to n minus 1 times 4. 248 minus 12, 236 equals to n minus 1 into 4. Taking 4 also to the left side. 236 divided by 4 equals to n minus 1. 4 1s are 4 5s are 20, 4 9s are 36. So n minus 1 equals to 59. Take minus 1 also to the right side, then it will become plus 1. N equals to 59 plus 1, then n equals to 60. So total 60 terms are there which are in between 10 and 250, and that too those are multiples of 4.